Hi, welcome to A2ZKnowledge.com. So the topic today we are going to discuss how to get audio as an input and emit text as an output in Python. So I can tell you the use case. So you use Google, Hello Google, and then Siri app, so which gets your audio as an input and respond back via audio. But I'm going to show you audio as an input and responding back via text. So we can use this kind of functionality in chatbot development. So you develop a chatbot, so an automated message conveyor from the machine. So people used to build chatbot with input as a text and emitting text, and sometimes input as an audio and emitting text, or input as an audio emitting as an audio, output as an audio. But now I'm going to show you audio as an input and text as an output. So let us, so this is a code, a sample code, which we need to develop more, and then we need to integrate to chatbot. So those kind of videos I will show you in my upcoming uploads. And the prerequisite what you need is two packages. One is speech recognition, and then there is something called Pi Audio. So these two libraries which you have to install. So you can use pip install command, or you can go to settings and then you can install speech recognizer and then Pi Audio. These two packages are very important. So this one. So I have imported this, and very important, you need a headset and make sure that is getting connected. You can use USB headset, make sure it is connected and whether the recording is working. You can use the Windows recorder to test whether your recording is working or not. And then I've written this in while loop so that it will be in a continuously, it will be asking you to say something, and then so you can say else, it will be ask you for one time and then the code will be get terminated. So here I created an instance for the speech recognizer class, and then by using with sr.microphone as a source. So microphone is your source. Okay, so then you're getting that as a source, and you there is a print statement telling that say something, then audio equal to r dot listen, and then you are passing the source. The main part of the code is this line. We are using the Google API to recognize the audio and respond back the text what we have sent via audio. So this is r dot recognize Google audio, and then if Google can't able to understand your audio, it will throw some exception, and then the code will be get terminated. To handle the exception, we are using try expect class, and then if we get any unknown value error, this will be get printed. So now I will just show you the demo by executing this code. Hi, hello, how are you? Okay, so I will just kill this. So when I said hello, maybe the mic was the mic was so distant from my mouth, so that's the reason Google can't able to understand it. So it just throw the message instead of terminating the code. Then I said how are you, which has been recognized by Google. So this I have written in the while loop because that's the reason it is asking continuously. Yes, else it in the first iteration itself the code will be get terminated. Now I need to integrate this with some chatbot application, or what you can do is you can write an if statement by assigning this line to a equal to r dot recognize Google audio. You can say if a equal to hi, then print hello. You can say like this, you can do like this. Maybe in the next video I will just give you a quick demo with the chatbot with audio. Okay, let me do that in the next video. So thanks for watching A2ZKnowledge.com. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. We provide videos in two languages, English and Tamil. So not only NLP, chatbot and Python, we provide videos in many other technologies. Just go to my channel and have a look. Thanks for watching A2ZKnowledge.com.